I was thinking about giving my kitchen a complete makeover, and I stumbled upon something incredible. Have you
Oh,
heard about
do
the
tell.
Nutrichef 54-piece marble nonstick cookware and bakeware set?
54 pieces? That's massive. What's so special about it?
Well, it's like having a professional chef's kitchen all in one box. It
That's
includes
intriguing.
multi-sized pots, pans, and even heat-resistant tools.
Wait, so it comes with utensils too?
Yeah, exactly. And not
Nice.
just any utensils, but they're designed with cool touch handle grips, so no more burnt fingers.
That's a relief. I've had my fair share of kitchen mishaps.
Haven't we all? And get this, the set has a marble non-stick coating. Yeah,
Oh,
so
marble?
food literally slides right off.
You had me at easy cleaning, but is it durable?
Absolutely. It's made of reinforced pressed aluminum metal and the lids are tempered glass.
Oh,
Yes,
tempered
so you can
glass?
see your food while it's cooking without lifting the lid.
That's handy, but does it work on all stovetops?
Good question. It's actually compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops. Well, except for the
Perfect.
small egg pan and milk pot.
Ah, gotcha. But still, that's pretty versatile.
Definitely. And the bakeware included is impressive too. Roaster pan, square pan, baking tin, muffin pan, and loaf pan.
Wow, that's the whole
Exactly.
baking arsenal. But with so many pieces, won't it take up a lot of space?
You'd think so, but they're designed to stack neatly. So
Oh,
it
that's
actually
clever.
saves space in your cabinets.
Nice. But how about the price? Is it going to break the bank?
Surprisingly, it's quite affordable at $249.99, and sometimes even less with discounts.
Really?
Yeah, considering all that you get, it's a great value for the money.
That's tempting. Do they have any customer reviews?
Yes. It has a 4.3 out of 5 stars from 149
Not bad at
ratings.
all.
People love the non-stick performance and durability.
But are there any downsides mentioned?
Well, some customers mentioned that the non-stick coating can chip if not cared for properly, but with proper
That's something
use,
to watch
it
out
holds
for.
up well.
I guess it's important to avoid metal utensils then.
Exactly. Stick to the included heat-resistant tools and you should be fine.
Makes
Also,
sense.
the set is dishwasher safe, which is a plus.
Oh, that's convenient. I'm not a fan of hand washing dishes.
Who is?
Right.
And the cool touch handles are a game changer. No more burnt fingers when cooking.
I appreciate that feature a lot. Safety first.
Absolutely. And the design is really sleek. The taupe brown color gives it a classy look.
Stylish
It's a
and
win-win.
functional. I'm almost sold, but 54 pieces might be overkill for me.
I thought so too at first, but it's great to have options. Well,
True,
in
but
this
don't you
case,
think quality
get
over
both.
quantity is better? Fair point. But I wonder if I'll actually use all the pieces.
Even if you don't use every single one every day, it's handy for special occasions or when you're trying new recipes.
That's a good
It's
way to
about
look at it.
expanding your culinary possibilities.
You're convincing me more and more. Maybe it's time I upgrade my kitchenware.
That's the spirit. And with the holidays coming up, it's perfect timing. Exactly.
Yeah, or even as a
It's
gift.
the gift that keeps on giving.
All right, you've sold me. I'm going to check it out.
Awesome. Let's start planning a cooking night to test out all the new gear.
Sounds like a
Can't wait to
plan.
get creative in the kitchen.
Me neither. Thanks for sharing this find.
Anytime. Keep me posted on what you think once you try it out.
Will
Happy
do.
cooking.
Happy cooking indeed.